If you're an individual who wants to make money online, but you're a perfect beginner and include no techniques, then don't upset. You most precisely have come to the right location. Today I will demonstrate you how you can go from zero to your first $2,000 paid immediately to your PayPal account, regardless of where you're from and your occurrence level. Let's presently get on with the today's video. I will show you how you can get paid through the use of Instagram, but without carrying any followers to start up with. And since this is bit a sophisticated strategy, dudes with many platforms implicated, I highly advise you maintain watching and remain tuned. Oppositely, this will not work for you. You'll just get confused and lost, and you won't know what you need to do. As easy as that. Anyway, as I said, we have numerous platforms to go over. So let's get right into it. The very initial site you will need to go to and then sign up to is called fameswap.com. This is approximately a place where you can purchase Instagram accounts with a decent following fluctuating from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of followers, and we will get back to this website later on in the video. For now, though, what you want to do is hit on the register button in the upper right corner. Here on the following page, they'll ask you to enter in your username, email, address, password, which you'll also require to confirm, and ultimately, you'll require to choose your country of origin, so you can sign up. And by the way, as you will be able to see yourself, this is clearly worldwide accessible. It will work in your country, no issue where you are from. Anyhow, to finish the process, just click on I'm not a robot and finally on the register button below. The following website you will need to go over, which is also the site you'll want to sign up to, as well as called Linktree. The URL to this site is linktree.a, and what this is, for those oblivious, is practically a place where you can create a landing page, and on that landing page you can leave numerous links to several sites, and this is what makes this website so valuable. If you want to share numerous links with people, you would generally have to give them out one by one, but thankfulness to Linktree, here you can now share numerous links with just one link to your landing page. Anyhow, to sign up to this website, you now click on Get Started for free. Here on the following page, just enter in your username, email and password, and by the way, the username you enter will determine the link to your landing page as well. Anyhow, to finish this process and sign up, just tick this box and click on Sign Up button with email below. And now that you have an account on Linktree, you will want to quit this website, as we will return to it later on, and you now want to go over to the next website we will be using today, and that is none distinct than google.com. What you will need to do on Google is search for manuscripts in a particular niche that can be beneficial and effective to people, and the niche you'll want to search for should be one that's relatively famous on Instagram. For example, you can concentrate on the business niche. You could concentrate on the animal niche. You could point on healthy lifestyle, and all of those things. Tech and food niches are also tremendous as well. The only significant part here is that what you are concentrating on needs to be incredibly famous. That popularity will directly assume how much or how little money you can make with this method. As an example, here I will be moving along with the weight loss and fitness niche. It's hugely famous on Instagram and is a great category to show you guys, and so in my case, what I would do on Google instantly is search for stuff like how to lose weight fast, how to gain muscle, and so on. If you were in the online business niche, for example, you'd search for material like how to make money online passively, how to get paid online as a beginner, and so on. As I said earlier, regardless of your niche, you need to search for valuable and beneficial articles that people will gain value from. Here, what you need to do now is open up like 3 or 4 articles at the very smallest. It's all really modest and easy thing. Just go over to Google and search for numerous keywords within the niche you are focusing on, and you will be skilled to find valid articles that are all somewhat distinct. And once you find a few of those nice articles, you will now leave them open, as we will come around to them later, and do now need to go over to the another website we want to use today. This website will be ua.io. What this basically is, a web page that will shorten lengthy links for you, and each time someone clicks on those links, They will see a digit of ads first and then go over to the actual site, and the ad earnings is then split between the website and yourself. In significance, this website gets you paid whenever somebody clicks on one of your shortened links. The reason we are using this website and not some other one that's relatively identical, because I found out that UA.io gives money comparatively well to other websites. It's one of the greatest paying link shortening services you can find, even though you can use any link shortening service website you prefer. I would suggest using this one rather, as some of you can already assume. The very first thing you want to do once you come onto this website is sign up. To do so, just click on Sign Up Free button in the upper right corner. You'll then just need to enter in your username, email and password. The latter you will also require to retype as well, and finally tick this box to agree to their terms and hit the register button below to finish the procedure. Once you enter into your brand new account on this website, it's now time to go back over to one of those manuscripts, and here is what you need to do. Copy a link to one of those guides, come back over to this website, click on New Shortened Link here. Paste the URL into this box and ultimately click on Shorten, and this will instantly shorten the link for you, and whenever somebody clicks on this link you get paid. As simple as that. One time you shorten your first link, you now want to go back to Linktree, where we generated an account way back in the introduction. Click on Add New Link here. You will now paste the URL over here and then give it a name. The title can be the similar as the name of the manuscript whose link you shortened. This process, guys, you will repeat for all of those manuscript or articles that you create before. So copy a link to one article, shorten it utilizing this website, and then come back over to Linktree and add it to your landing page. I've already done all of that, so this video isn't too lengthy and so you can understand me decent. And now that you have performed that, this landing page here can make you a lot of cash. Whenever somebody comes onto here, if they're interested in losing weight, in my specific case, they will definitely want to check out all of these articles, and since you will be sharing multiple manuscript or articles and not just one, the amount of money you can potentially earn is propagated by several times. So rather of earning like $5 per 1,000 clicks, you will get paid $15 to $20 per 1,000 clicks. This is why this method is so extremely influential. The only piece of the puzzle missing is now the actual traffic, and the traffic origin for us will be Instagram. What you will do is similar to what this page is doing here. As you can see, it has 1 million followers and undoubtedly a link in the bio. That link I found is attending to an app they've created, and appreciation to that app. They are making money in inactive income. This is practically the same thing you will be doing with your Linktree page. Here in this manner you will be able to make money in completely inactive income. I hope you found this video valuable. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on, so you don't lose any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.